Hi there, handbaggers, and welcome to the Duck's Nest. This is the Military Mom, and in this video I am going to share an unboxing with you. But before I get to the unboxing, I wanted to share something that my youngest son and I came across when he was visiting with me recently. We were at the outlet mall and we stumbled upon a place called the Pepper Palace. And they sell all types of seasonings and hot sauces, and this is the hot sauce that he purchased and actually left, so I have to ship it to him. But it's called horseradish oyster hot sauce, and he said it had a really good flavor, so he picked this up. And then I picked up 3 types of seasonings. One is a whiskey seasoning, and you can actually smell like the whiskey in this. It has a very good flavor. The next one I picked up is a coconut rum that goes really well with fish. And then the last seasoning that I picked up is tequila. These are all really flavorful seasonings, and I am not a hot sauce girl at all, but when my children come to visit, I have to make sure I have hot sauce in the house, because about a month ago my oldest son and his son visited me here, and I had to make sure I had hot sauce on hand because they can't seem to eat anything unless it's smothered in hot sauce. So this is one of the hot sauces that my older son, liked. It's a bacon. And of course, the ubiquitous, I don't even have to explain this one. So just wanted to share that with you all about the seasonings and hot sauces that we picked up recently. So now on to the handbag portion of the video. This is a bag that I bought from eBay. I don't know if I can get this in the shot because I'm pretty close to my bags back here. I may have to unbox this and then put it back on camera. But again, it came from eBay. Wanted you all to see how the seller how the seller packaged the bag that I purchased. So here is the bag. It's a Coach item. There was no weather protection. There was a lot of cushioning, but no weather protection in this bag, in this box, I mean. This is called the Coach Margot Satchel. And I got her new with tags. For this bag was $112. So let me just show you the tag so that you can see that the MSRP, hopefully you can see that's $395, and I picked her up for $112. But the reason that I picked this bag up is because this color is just so gorgeous. And she has the Military Mom features, of course, the rolled handles that collapse against the bag. She's an MM size. Here is the closure. It's magnetic, you all. I meant no snapping whatsoever. Really easy to get into this bag. She has a center zip. I'm going to remove all this stuffing so that you can get a good look of her interior. So she has 2 compartments on the back wall. She has a really nice slip on the front wall. There are 2 slips. This is a cotton material, really nice, beautiful colored lining. And again, that is just a magnetic fold over, somewhat like the Dooney & Bourke Janine, but not quite as wide. She has a center zip. That could be used as a wallet if you so desired. And she has gold hardware. Can you see that Coach is engraved on her feet? Love those Coach details like that. And she has a crochet here with the turn lock, and there's nothing in here, I don't believe, except there's a key ring in here that I'm trying to make slide down, but I think you all can see it. And again, the gold tone hardware. She has a shoulder strap that is completely detachable. There are the side connections with those nice tabs. There is no exterior pocket on the front or the back of this bag. This is cross grain leather, but again, I consider this Saffiano. That's just my consideration. That's not official, but it's going to shed rain and snow just like Saffiano, except of course when the rain or snow falls into this open concept here. And just to give you all a color comparison, I have pulled out my Dooney & Bourke Teal Ostrich double handle small tote. And I have also pulled out my small nylon Alyssa to give you a color comparison. This Coach color is called Atlantic. I just think this is the most beautiful color. And then lastly, this is my Dooney & Bourke Nina, and it is not, they say it's teal, but it's really not. It's like a blue-green. But if you think about it, that's kind of what teal is. It's just a lighter shade there. So, this is my Margot. This bag is called the Margot. And I have another reveal for you all. This is, wait a minute, let me get my act together here. Hold on one second. This is the cutest thing to me. Oh my gosh. This is a Steve Madden little satchel. It has a pocket on the back that accommodates my phone in the elephant mastodon cover. It has a shoulder strap that is adjustable and a satchel handle. It's a framed bag, obviously, with the gold frame there. Steve Madden is engraved on this clasp. Here's the interior, credit card slots, and that is it. There is no other interior organization on this bag. This is a bag that I must have watched for months at TJ Maxx, and I kept picking her up. I liked the way she felt. I liked the way she looked. Of course, I love the texture. The color is just beautiful. She doesn't have feet. But I kept putting her back because I was not impressed by this wonky little zipper on the back. But you know what? After I kept going back and she was still there, I thought, okay, this bag was meant for me. And I don't know if you all can see the price there. She was $25. And I am absolutely in love with this satchel. She's just so ladylike and so cute. And of course, the texture is why I kept going back. So before I close, just another thing I wanted to show you all really quickly. One of the reasons that I decided to buy this bag is because the frame, there are no gaps in the frame. And I'm sure you probably have seen frame bags where there's a gap here, or there's a gap here, or at the top the bag is gapped if it's not made well. This bag was only $25, but I thought that Steve Madden did a good job on matching the frame. Again, I don't expect this bag to last as long as some of my other bags, but for $25, if she lasts a year or two, I will have gotten my money's worth out of her. All right, just really quickly before I close, I know that I am flooding you all with videos, but the reason that I'm doing it is because I have had a viewer ask me about these unboxings, and she said, I thought you were on a bag ban. Well, yeah, I actually am on a bag ban. All of these items that I'm sharing with you all were purchased prior to my bag ban. And to be honest, I really just want to get them out so that I can get them put away, because I tend not to carry, since I started my YouTube channel, I tend not to carry bags until I have shared them with you all, because I don't want to take a chance that anything happens to the bag before I can get them up in a video. So as you can probably imagine, I have like stuff stacked everywhere, and it's beginning to annoy me. So I need to get these bags filmed and put away. That is why I am bombarding you all with like 2 videos a day. But I'm pretty serious about this bag ban. And if you all have not seen Melissa's tips over at Melissa's Purses YouTube channel, check her out. She's giving us some helpful tips, and they are really helpful tips on how to stay on your bag ban. Now, that is for those of us who are on a bag ban. Everyone is not on a bag ban, and that's fine. We're not, you know, I'm not judging. I'm just stating where I am in my handbag collection voyage or journey. And these bags that I just shared with you all, or the bags that I'm sharing with you all, I'm letting you all know that these are must-haves in my collection, because what I wanted to do is get all of my must-haves purchased so that when I journey over to Bag Ban Island, I can actually stay there. So the Steve Madden, I didn't like, it wasn't a must-have. I just really loved the shape and the texture of this bag, and I had been seeing it, like I said, for a while. So this really wasn't a must-have, but it really wasn't an impulse purchase either. I guess if I was going to give a must-have reason, it is one of those bags that, actually, I'll probably put in another video why this was a must-have. And in fact, I think I will. So I'm going to hold off on this one. The Margot was, I don't know if this was really a must-have. I saw her on eBay and I loved Like I said, I love the color. And of course, she's my size bag. She has everything I've already talked about. I love the ease of access on this bag. But you know what? I already had one. Ease of access is not quite, on this bag, is not quite as easy as the Coach Margot, but it's basically the same. It's just a single closure there. So, to be honest, brutally honest, I didn't need this bag. I just bought it on a whim because I already had the must-have with this teal ostrich Dooney and Burke slip lock. So what I might end up doing with this one is I may gift this one to my cousin. I don't know. But I definitely don't need both. So these items that I'm sharing with you all, like I said, they were purchased before my bag ban. I am definitely on a bag ban, but I do have more unboxings and I am going to try to get them done quickly. I have made some changes here in the operations center that I want to share with you all as well. I will, that's another video. So I have about 5 more unboxings to do. And then once I get the bags all put away, I will show you the changes I made here in the operations center. So that is about it, handbaggers, for this video. You may see another video, follow this one closely, but as always, happy carrying and thank you for joining me here at the Duck's Nest. Stay tuned.